Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to care for Quaker parrots. First, ensure your parrot has a spacious cage, ideally at least 24 by 24 by 24 inches, with horizontal bars for climbing. Next, provide a balanced diet of high-quality pellets, supplemented with fresh fruits and vegetables daily. Always make sure your Quaker parrot has constant access to clean, fresh water in a sturdy, tip-proof bowl. This foundation is crucial for their well-being. Quaker parrots are highly social birds and thrive on daily interaction with their human companions. Dedicate time each day for play and bonding to keep them happy and engaged. Provide a diverse selection of toys for chewing, climbing, and foraging to prevent boredom and encourage natural behaviors. Supervised out-of-cage time is also essential for physical exercise and mental exploration. Regular veterinary care is vital for your Quaker parrot's health. Schedule annual checkups with an avian veterinarian to ensure they remain in top condition. Maintaining a clean environment is equally important. Perform daily spot cleaning of the cage and a thorough deep clean weekly. Always be vigilant for any signs of illness, such as changes in appetite, lethargy, or ruffled feathers, and consult your vet promptly if you notice concerns. Training your Quaker parrot can be a rewarding experience. Always use positive reinforcement, offering small treats and verbal praise to encourage desired behaviors. Focus on teaching essential commands like step up and step down for their safety and your convenience. A well-trained parrot is a happier parrot. And speaking of keeping things clean, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals to upgrade your home.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.